Hi and welcome to this tutorial where we will walk through upgrading Retail Management Hero. Before getting started, it's always a great idea to back up your database. So go ahead and launch RMH Administrator. Click Connect. And enter your SQL password. Click Connect. And do a backup. Great, once complete we can close out. And the first step will be to uninstall the current build of RMH. So go to Start, Settings, over to Apps, and search for Retail. Go ahead and uninstall these. When uninstalling RMH Store Manager, this window is normal. Go ahead and close it. Alright, next, locate the installers. And locate the components of RMH that you want to install. For this demo, we're doing Back Office Manager and Point of Sale. We'll start with Back Office Manager. Go to the Setup file, right-click, and Run as Administrator. And go ahead and go through the wizard. Alright, once the installation is completed, select Finish. You can see the Store Administrator, Store Manager, and Stock Take icons are now on the desktop. So go ahead and do the Point of Sale. Again, locate the setup, right-click, and Run as Administrator. And go through the wizard. Great, once the installation is complete, close out. The final step in the upgrade is go ahead and launch Store Administrator. Again, connect to the database with the SQL password. You'll want to select Force Install Tables. And what this will do is run scripts to update your database from the previous version. Go ahead and select Yes. And this could take a few moments. Great. Once the Force Install Tables is complete, you can close out and go ahead and log in. And that's it. You've completed the upgrade of Retail Management Hero.